Hey y'all, what's up? So, tonight is hamburger night. It's dark. It's like 6:30. So I'm putting some hamburgers on the grill, and these hamburgers are from Costco. I hauled these before, so it's just me, my daughter, my two boys having hamburgers tonight. Probably already ate, so y'all know these are frozen. I ain't trying to pretend like I made these. I didn't. Okay, so I have these. Put these on, just 5. And then I'm going to come back in a little bit, not too long, because y'all see how bipolar my grill is already. Let me turn it down before I forget. Okay, so I'm going to leave these on here about 5-10 minutes and come back, flip them, put salt and pepper on them, and then they'll be done. They don't take that long. That's one thing I love about these. They don't take that long. Check my grill, and I'll be back. Okay, this is the hamburger that I'm using tonight, and these are the ground sirloin, but I also like the grass-fed ones. And when I went there the other day, they didn't have any, so um I took these because I'm used to them. And I have bacon in the oven. My son wants bacon on his hamburger, and I have some eggs here, and I want egg on my hamburger, so it's gonna be nice and juicy. And I don't remember if I have fries, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and prep everything because I gotta get like tomatoes, and I'm gonna show y'all the best. Y'all, it's because my little pink, got that thing big with me, you hear me? I'm gonna show y'all the best hamburger buns are these. Y'all, this hamburger bun is nice. They're soft. They're by Nature Ways. You get Nature's Own. These are the best hamburger buns. Telling you, see, say soft and sweet. Y'all try them and let me know, please. Okay, so that's gonna be the hamburger, and our topping. Okay, our toppings for our sandwiches, hamburgers are pretty simple. Tomato, mayo, one of our favorite mayo, mustard, and ketchup, and pickle for my son and I. We don't have a lot of french fries. My daughter don't want any. This are the french fries I have. I'm going to use these for the boys. I'm going to put them some tater tots in the oven while the bacon is going. So when I'm ready to put everything together, I will show y'all. I'm not going to show y'all back and forth on the grill and the bacon. Just when I'm ready to put everything together, I got to get my eggs going too. All right. Okay, family. So they got my nice little hamburger. Nothing fancy. So the top, all I put on my top, you can record, you can watch TV, Ethan, is mayo. Get all this mayo off of here. All around all the corners of the bun. Mayo, right? And then what else I put? Y'all, one of my babies is sick, so excuse if you hear any coughing. A little mustard. I'm not a fan of mustard that much, but I still love it. And ketchup. I don't put a lot on my burger, y'all. Yeah. Just a little drizzle of ketchup. Alright. That's all your girl do on her hamburger. In high school, this was the best burger, cheeseburger with that. But I'm going to go a little bit further. Okay. And I'm going to add me some bacon. Just 2 strips. I don't need that much bacon. Oh, this one is too thick. I did bacon for the whole, just do a whole pack of bacon, so just in case I need it for my boys' lunch. So just break it in half, couple strips of bacon, like that. You know. All right, and then I have here. You pass me spatula, please. Nothing special. And I have my egg now. No eggs, I always want to shame you, child. That's all right. And my egg. Ooh, it's still a little wet in the middle. My daughter acting silly. It's still like on the sunny side up kind of section, but that's just it. Just like that. And then on the side, I have here some. Baby, there's one egg in the fridge right there. I did some tater tots because I told you I didn't have enough fries. So I'm trying to position it right. Okay. I have some tater tots here. She's gonna make her own, y'all, with eggs. She a mess. I gotta love her though for following her mama. Oh, I'm recording while you scraping. Hater. Okay. So this is my dinner. Nothing fancy. Just, you want to spruce up your burger a little bit. And then I have pickle over there on the side if I want to have some pickle. But, Lord, this is how haters be, y'all. So this is my hamburger. My hamburger with egg and bacon and tater tots. And I have, and I have pickles. So yeah, that is it. Dinner is served. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, that like and that share button. And until next time we meet, please don't forget to protect yourself and your loved ones. Just something quick and easy. And that's it. Bye.